Electrical safety. Every year, 70 deaths and 350,000 injuries in the UK are caused by faulty electrical equipment. Almost half of all domestic fires are caused by electricity. CCG takes electrical safety very seriously, and by law, we must ensure that electrical installations and wiring are maintained. As a tenant, it is your responsibility to report any electrical problems or hazards as soon as they appear. You're responsible for maintaining your own electrical appliances, such as TVs, microwaves, hairdryers, or hair straighteners. Our workers will come over to assess the condition of your electrical installations in your home. This will be every 5 years and in between tenancies as recommended by Electrical Safety First. The electrical installation in your home has been assessed, is safe to use, and conforms to the national standards. The inspection includes opening accessories, the consumer unit, and testing of all the cables, and should take no longer than 3 hours. You'll need to be home to allow access to our staff. After 2 failed attempts at the agreed appointment, CCG must start legal proceedings, and this could cost you £750. But if you let us in the first time, you could win £250. Your safety is our main concern. If you have any queries or concerns about the inspection or need to change the date, please contact us on 0300 123 8084 or on inquiries@ccgwynedd.org.uk.